Hi, I'm Cliff, and this is my garage. Today, we're taking a little sneak peek at my high-performance driver education event at Carolina Motorsports Park. Hey, welcome back to the garage. And if this is your first time joining me, thanks for dropping by. First off, please do me a favor and go click on that like button to let YouTube know that you're enjoying the content I'm making. It helps a lot with growing the channel and supporting the creation of new content. While you're at it, if you're not one of my beloved subscribers, go ahead and click on that big shiny red subscribe button. It feels really good, trust me. My third DE was at Carolina Motorsports Park, located a bit out in the boonies of South Carolina near Kershaw. I'll do a more thorough video soon about my thoughts concerning the track, but for today, I'm just highlighting my best lap at 1 minute, 58.7 seconds. If you're interested, I also did a video showcasing how I screwed up and cost myself over $1,500 in just 3.4 seconds. I'll put a link to that video up here in this corner here. You can check it out later. Now, I'm not putting this out as an example of great driving or anything like that. Honestly, the best part of this video is the amazing sound of my new valved competition exhaust from Soul Performance Parts. I'll give you a link to that down in the video description below. All right, here we go. I hope you enjoy it. And click on that like button.